Yeah, what's going on YouTube? Sorry, I just testing out my red light. Looks pretty cool, eh? Yes, it's hurting my eyes. There we go. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be wheel swapping this Mustang SVO, man. Finally, I'm gonna get these disc wheels off of this awesome classic Mustang, man. It's just terrible. Like somebody at Mattel, like, why would you put those wheels on there? Was it you made it for the track or what? Why would you do the Mustang SVO like this, man? It's terrible. At least you guys should put these back on it. These 5 stars. That's just a horrible decision. Whoever, Tom, Dick, or Harry decided to do that, man. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing this wheel swap because there's nothing to hunt for out there, man. It's going dry again. If the Walmarts do restock, it's like so little. It's not enough for everybody. It's like 1-2 cases and then two collectors come in and it's all gone already, man. It's not enough. So yeah, just decided to do a wheel swap. I don't want to waste my time. Plus it's very hot outside. Forget it. Whoever wants to hunt, be my guest, man. I'm taking a break. Alright, let's get to this. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get this bad boy out the wrapper. You ready? No need to save this plastic wrapper. There we go. Voila, there's the nice Mustang. Black with green decal right there. SVO badge right there. Mustang SVO. Some ugly Frisbee wheels, man. Come on, Mattel, what's up, man? Why couldn't you just put the 5 stars on there? Whose decision was that? Bad decision, Mr. Bob. Man, they did this SVO bad, bro. Like, I painted these tail lights. Look how much better that looks. See? Man, there's no tail light detail and no headlight detail. But they do have the side and the hood. I guess that's why they didn't do the tail lights. They usually pick 2 sides and that's it. But yeah, I like this black one. I don't have bigger wheels in the back. I have wheels that are like the same size, but we're still gonna wheel swap it with some 5-star chrome. And maybe I'll try some other plastic wheels on it. But these must come off. I can't stand them. They're big though. Look how wide they are, man. These are some wide disc wheels, man. Woo, very wide. Let's see. Yeah, that's some really wide back tires. Probably 305s or 315s in real life. Damn. Love this Mustang. The best model Mustang ever made right here. In my opinion. I don't know about yours. Alright, got the Mustang taken apart right there. Funny. This piece is probably do some custom paint work on that. That can't be bothered, man. I just don't have the work area to do any custom work here, man. I don't have a spray paint booth or nothing. I don't even own any damn paint stripper, so yeah. If I had all that and a workshop, yeah, I'd be definitely doing full customs, like paint, decals, whatever. But yeah, I don't have the paint station for that, guys. Would love to, but I'll just stick to wheel swaps for now, because it's easy peasy. Also, I like to wheel swap because I like to see what the casting looks like with different wheels. Here's the damn Frisbee wheels right here. If anybody wants them, just let me know in the comments. No one ever wants them, so I just throw them out in the garbage. Look at that go-kart right there. Cool, eh, guys? A cool go-kart right there. Just add a steering wheel right here and a seat. There you go. You got a cool go-kart. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, bam. You guys ready for this? Check this out. Bam, check it out. Boom, boom, bam. These actually look like the 5-star Cobra wheels right there. Look at that. I already visualized this look already. I knew it was going to turn out awesome. See that? Sweet. Oh, that looks very nice. A lot nicer than those disc wheels right there. Look at that. Deep dish. 5 stars. The paint is immaculate too, man. Sweet. Just gotta paint these tail lights. Maybe add some silver to the front there. Touch up these headlights. Man, that's nice, man. Sweet. Which one do you guys like better? These 5 stars right here, or the deep dish chrome 5 stars? Sick. Awesome, awesome. Man, that looks so awesome right there. Sweet, check it out. Alright, now I got it open, let's try some other wheels on here. Stay tuned. What about this look, guys? Bam. Black 5 stars with the white lip. Not too bad. Still doesn't beat the chrome though. Hell no. Looks okay. Nothing spectacular. It does look pretty cool though. But like I said, it's not gonna look better than these, man. These rims are just made for the Mustang. Chrome 5 stars. Alright, let's try another look. Alright, how about some factory fresh plastic gold wheels right there, fellas? Man, not too bad, but I've never seen a Mustang with these gold rims like this before. Hell no. Deep dish chrome. Looks the best on these Fox bodies. Alright, try one more look. Alright, final set right here. Check it out. Bam. Black on black. Always works. Now it's got that nice stealth look now. Sick. Man, this would be a nice premium. Imagine that as a premium. I know you guys would jump all over this. Hell yeah. And then paint the tail lights there. Just front detail, man. This would be a beautiful premium right there. It looks nice, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not gonna be nicer than the 5 stars that I did first. The chrome 5-star deep dish, my pick of the day. This looks pretty nice too. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't want to hold you guys up. Have a nice day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace out.